Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. We have a question from a client on the RV15 Reeve table leg leveler. And the question is, it says that it's for 1-inch square tubing. Well, is that ID or OD? Well, it would be for OD, and that's not obvious by the manufacturer's description at all. But as we review this item, okay, we can put our caliper on the flange that the 1-inch square tube would need to sit on, and that dimension is the outside dimension of the flange is 1.07 between my index finger and thumb. Now, the reason that is going to work for 1-inch OD with a reasonable ID is that because these springs are going to flex in, these steel springs, and when I measure it between my finger and thumb, it's about the same dimension, about 1.05. But if I were to push this into some square tubing, I would get that to be able to flex in and close in, probably reasonably a 1/16 of an inch. And obviously, I would be able to, if I were to severely force that down, I'd be able to get it closer to this smaller area here. And the point of this is trying to derive what minimum ID would be required. And my caliper is telling me about 0.86. 0.86 right from about here to in that same position down here. So if I were to get my leg and get I would remove this, of course, and then a block of wood and then a mallet and tap that down, I should be able to get that down into something that is 27, 30 seconds, something right in that range. So if you had a wall thickness that was, 1/16 of an inch, I would think you'd be able to make that work. There you go. If you have any other questions on the dimensional properties of the RV15 table leg leveler or any other Reeve product, please feel free to reach out to us. In this item profile, there's a link to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the entire Reeve catalog. I'm partial to them, and it's because they have a good quality product, but what they really have that others are not as good as, everyone has a good quality product, let's say, but what other people don't have as well as Reeve is exceptional customer service. Every time I call there, I get a very thorough answer to the technical question, and that's why I continue to do business with them as much as possible. Any questions on the RV15 table leg leveler or any other Reeve product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.